Daniel, back here for another video, and in today's video, as you guys can see, I have the mic set up in a different location. I'm going to be showing you guys how to build, launch, and scale an app with a very simple process that it's guaranteed, alright, literally guaranteed to make you money. No matter what, if you just follow this process, you're gonna make money, guaranteed. Like, I even set up this really nice tripod and everything to show you guys. And on top of that, I even made a whole dashboard, which is sick. So, how do you make money through building apps? All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna find a very simple app idea, all right? There's a lot of ways you could go about doing this. What I like to do is you go on TikTok or you go on Twitter and you try and find viral app ideas, all right? You're just gonna like type in health app and you're just gonna scroll through the videos and you're gonna see what video went viral and you're gonna take that app idea. Because if it went viral for that app, all right, you can make it viral for yours. Am I telling you to steal ideas? Yes, literally just go and steal an idea. It's like, again, if it works for someone, it'll probably work for you. So you might as well not reinvent the wheel and just try and make it better or at least as good as theirs, you know? So that's the first thing you should do. All right, design the app with Figma. That's the second thing. Figma is a tool that lets you design stuff. Software platforms, apps, all that. Now, again, do not reinvent the wheel. Find apps, research them, download them, use them, play with them, pay for the subscription, and literally just copy, not like copy and paste. You don't want to get sued off the app, like if you just copy and paste everything from the app, but at least take inspiration from the designs. Because at the end of the day, people who've built these $1 million apps have professional people who work for them, who work with them on designing these things. And you don't want to reinvent that wheel. If people like it, people like it. What you're going to be playing here is a game of distribution. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to code up this app with Cursor in no more than 7 days. Why? Because I hate to see software engineers, app developers spend months, if not years, building out, like just building applications, softwares, just for no one to use them. If your app sucks, if your app fails at distribution, it's fine. It's fine. You could try something new, all right? But at the end of the day, you want to go fast. Money moves quick. And the last thing you want to do is spend months for an app that no one actually uses, all right? That's what you're going to do. You're just going to use Cursor, which is an IDE that uses AI to just code up the app. It's not too complicated. You can watch a million tutorials online. It's literally just prompt engineering. You just type in things to make it do it, and it'll code it up for you, all right? It's super simple. You don't even have to code anything these days. All right, now for distribution. You have your app, you launch it on the App Store, perfect. If no one buys it, well, what was the point of actually you building it out, right? So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna send, and this is one of many strategies, but I just wanna make it super clear and super simple for you guys to help you guys really out, to provide clarity on how to actually scale apps, all right? You're gonna send 100 DMs a day to influencers, all right? And in the DM, all you're gonna say is paid promo, ? Okay? You're gonna find then an influencer who's gonna be like, whoa, he's gonna pay me money for an app? Cool. He's gonna reply to that DM, and I want you to ask them to make a video about your app, all right? When you do that, in the video, you should ask the user to kind of like implement. Now there's many different types of videos, obviously. There's slideshows and there's normal videos. But for example, what you'd want is the app to not just be, you don't want the video to be about the app. You want the app to be within the video, if that makes sense. For example, if you have an app that helps people train, right? Instead of asking the influencer to just show them the app, make a video, ask them to make a video about them going to the gym, them training, and then them seeing this app, using it to help them improve train, as if it's almost like not an advertisement. Make them tag it in the description, and obviously make them shout out the app, and boom, literally just for, and then it's gonna go viral, okay? Do this with a few influencers, get a few good deals. A few other tips I could give is maybe like, for example, if an influencer is like, oh, I want to charge $500 for 3 videos, usually the influencer wants just that $500. So then make them do more videos. Instead of bringing down that price, literally just make them create 6 videos for $500. It literally works. I've studied this. It works for people. If you just do this simple process, your app can go massive. It can get millions of views. And it's so simple that the only way you fail is if you just don't do it. All right. So that said, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.